Many users struggle with repetitive data entry tasks, which can be time-consuming and prone to errors. I've seen it happen to the best of us. Hours spent typing in data only to realize there is a better way. Repetitive tasks like formatting names, dates, or addresses can be a real pain. Not only do they take up a lot of time, but they can also lead to mistakes that might be hard to catch. These tasks can really slow down your workflow and make you less productive. Hello, welcome back. Join me as I dive into Excel to try to master the flash fill feature in just a few minutes. In this video, you'll learn about flash fill in Excel, a powerful tool that automates data entry and formatting. Let us see how we can use the flash fill feature in Excel in terms of the spreadsheet which is in front of us. Okay, right here we having the surname and the name of the learners. Okay, I'm gonna repeat the same information in this column D. Okay, so the only difference is that both name and the surname will be on the same row. Okay, right, let me type it. Right, let me just type the name of the first learner in column D, okay, in row D6. All right, I'm going to type the name of the learner there. All right, starting with the surname. All right, we have Baloy, Chensani. Right, now I want to begin to apply the flash fill. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy the first learner's name in the other remaining cells. All right, this is what I've done, but in actual fact, I don't want to repeat this name in all the cells. I want the system to copy what is on the other side. So I'm going to use the flash fill. As you can see, there's this little menu here at the bottom. I'm gonna click on the drop down arrow here. Right, I'm going to choose flash fill. There you go, there's the magic. Now it has copied the names, it has followed the pattern which is on the left and repeated that in column D. So that is the feature that I was referring to in terms of the flash fill. Right, let's get to this other information here. We have this other data set, and then here we're going to put the email addresses of the students. Okay, we're going to say the first learner there, it's Baloy Kensani. Right, at Magungu Primary School .co.za. Right, there we are. Right, so we want the system to do the same with the remaining other learners that are here by means of following this pattern which is here, then copy it in the other remaining learners. Okay, what do? We're going to highlight starting from the email address of the first learner and highlight the other remaining learners, as you can see on the screen. Then the shortcut to applying the flash fill is Control E. Let me press Control E on my keyboard. There we go. Now we are having the pattern having been repeated. Okay, so now we have again made use of the flash fill feature in Excel to make sure that we repeat the pattern in these learners. All right, fine. Let's carry on and move to the next data set. Okay, right, the next data set here. here we are still having the very same names of the learners, but this time around we just want to have the initials. All right, we want to have the initials here. This is what we want to have. Okay, so this is Baloyi Kensani. Again, we're going to say BD. Okay, not BD but BN. Okay, for Baloyi Kensani. All right, so we want this pattern of the initials to be repeated in these other remaining cells with the other names of the learners. All right, so now we need to decide on using the flash fill feature, which is located in the Excel function. All right, let's highlight, starting from the first initial, we highlighting. Okay, now we're going to go to the home menu. All right, then go to the editing group. Okay, we're supposed to go to the editing group, then there is the fill. Okay, option, there's the fill option, then you're going to click on the drop down arrow there on the fill option. Right there at the bottom we have the flash fill, so this is the option that we're going to go for. All right, let me click on it and see what is going to happen. Right, as you can see now it has repeated the pattern in terms of the initials for all the learners that are appearing here. So this is how you basically apply this feature in Excel called flash fill to repeat the pattern in terms of automizing the repetition of the information that you were supposed to type or retype or type many times, but since the system can pick the pattern, then it auto completes that, it auto fills that for you. So that is why it is called it is called flash fill. All right, so that is how you apply the flash fill in Excel to automize data entry and formatting. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever we release new videos in future, you can be notified about that. Thank you so much.